An organized workplace is way better and safer to work than the messy one. And here the 5S framework comes into picture. The origin of 5S is Toyota Production System. The purpose of 5S is to make a workplace function better by making it an easier, efficient and safer place to work. 5S methodology comprises of 5 words starting with letter S, and those are sort, set in order, shine, standardize and sustain. Each word in 5S process has an associated goal. The first one is sort. The term sort is derived from the Japanese word Seiri, and here the goal is to remove unnecessary items from the workplace. Unnecessary items could be categorized into two: items which are not needed and are simply taking up space. Such items are tagged red, or items which are not needed often but must be on hand for times when they are required. Such items are tagged yellow. These items are moved to the centralized store. By doing this, we complete the first step. The second step of 5S is set in order, which is derived from the Japanese term Seiton. Here, the goal is to place all necessary items in a specific and well organized manner. If the items are well organized, then it becomes easy to identify the required one, which results in saving the time to complete the task. For example, if you were asked to identify the spanner of size 10 from the drawer 1 and from the drawer 2, which one would take lesser time to be identified? Of course, second one, because it is well organized. This is how the second step of set in order completes. Third step is shine, stemming from the Japanese term Seiso. Here, the goal is to sweep or sanitize the workplace. In nearly any case, a clean workplace is a safer workplace. For instance, keeping floor clear of dust and debris helps reduce the risk of trips, slips, and fall. A regular cleaning also helps prevent tool and machinery degradation. A regular and thorough cleaning completes the third step. Fourth S is standardize, which is derived from the Japanese term Seiketsu. In this step, it is ensured that 5S activities are performed on regular basis. And this is achieved by defining the roles and responsibilities for each employee. Implementing visual management system so each employee follow the rules and are not mistaken. And evaluating the efforts done by each employee. After standardize, we can move to the final step, which is sustain. Sustain is derived from the Japanese term Shitsuke, making all first for us a culture of organization by motivating the employees and by sharing the benefits of an organized workplace comes under sustain. Sustain is more likely to be achieved when top management is involved. Dedicated time for cleaning, forming a committee to regulate the 5S program can help engage the employees. Here are some of the tips to maintain 5S at your workplace. Visual management is key to successful 5S implementation. Types of visual management includes visual display, which share information, and visual controls, which prevents abnormality from occurring. For example, floor marking such as tape can be used to outline work area, mark the position where equipment should be located, and denote hazardous areas. They can also be used to denote specific location for raw material, finished good, shipping, and more. Labels indicate the contents of containers. Wall signs and banners can be hung up to call attention. Shadow boards highlights where a tool should be placed after being used and make it obvious when a tool is missing. With a good layout, you can communicate a lot of about process. This makes it easy to visualize details about your process, such as where the material is, where the bottlenecks are occurring. 5S is a philosophy to create a workspace that is efficient, so people can perform their jobs more effectively with less risk and downtime. We hope this video will help you to start your 5S journey at your workplace.